Gochujang Korean fried chicken. Let's make it. Let's start by boiling 1 cup of basmati rice or any short grain rice with 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Allow this to boil until the rice softens and leave aside. Take 500 grams of chicken fillet and cut them into cubes as shown here. To the cubed chicken fillet, add in 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Mix this until all the ingredients are properly incorporated. Cover with some cling wrap or plastic wrap and allow this to marinate for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add in half a cup of cornstarch or corn flour. Mix this well so that all the chicken pieces are properly covered with corn flour. This is exactly what it should look like. To a deep based pot, add in some sunflower oil which we're going to use to fry our cubed chicken. Allow the oil to heat properly before adding in the cubed chicken fillets. Place in small batches at a time to ensure that the chicken is properly fried. Allow to fry 5 minutes before turning them around. Only remove them from the oil once they are golden brown in color. They should look something like this. Remove the chicken fillet pieces and place them into a bowl. In another smaller bowl, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of gochujang paste. Then add in 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix this all together and then leave aside. Now let's start with our sticky sauce, and to do this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a pan. Then add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Allow this to sizzle for a while before adding in the sauce mix that we made earlier. Work quickly so that this doesn't burn. Add 50 ml of water to the same sauce bowl, stir and then add this to the pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds to the sauce. Then quickly add in the fried chicken that we made earlier and toss this around the sauce. To serve, add in some rice into bowls and then place the chicken in the sauce over the rice. Now this is best served immediately to ensure that the chicken remains crispy. And remember, this recipe will serve 2 to 3 people. Garnish with some toasted sesame seeds and some chopped spring onions. Your gochujang Korean fried chicken is ready to be served. Try it and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell so you don't miss a recipe. See you in the next vlog.